kick.
We have absolutely amazing lighting. Let's get the couch set up, yeah? We're also filming for TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. Just go ahead. Oh my god, we're running out of juices. I want my rug like closer this way. That's what I want. What the flip? So hopefully I didn't get a big ass dog couch. Honestly, I probably did. I probably did because I didn't pay that much, y'all. Oh my god, I didn't pay that much. Oh. Okay. This looks like an inflatable. Kitty! I'm like, is this what surfing is like? And then they do this. And they're like, holy shit. Oh my god, I can surf! Ooh. I should go surfing. I should be a surfer. Let me tell you why I got a couch on Temu. I got a desk, and the desk was pretty nice. So I figured their other furniture should be pretty nice too. Or was that not? No? To be honest, we're balling on a budget. Okay? We just need stuff for the meantime. Okay? Come here. What are you doing with your crazy eyes? Look, yeah. And we have another surfboard. Surfboard. Oh my god. It's crazy because I have to get 2 different angles. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. This is like that movie, and they were trying to stand on the log, and he fell and busted his nuts. Do y'all remember that movie? It was like Cheaper by the Dozen or something like that. Ow. On camera over there. Oh! One down. While we wait, we're gonna break down some boxes over here. That's getting really big. Turned off all the lights because I literally stopped filming. But now that we're filming again, this is the last pillow to go on the couch. I honestly was not expecting it to be this big, and I'm glad I didn't get the other couch that I was gonna get because I'm pretty sure the dimensions of the other couch was like so much bigger. This takes up my entire space. Like, I want to say I took like over 2 weeks time deciding on what couch I was going to purchase, and the fact that I even like was okay and willing to purchase with Temu. Like, I could have purchased with anybody, and I was going to purchase with anybody, but I wanted a cloud couch, but I didn't want to pay the cloud couch money. We're gonna put on the last pillow, and then we're gonna clean the kitchen, and then we're gonna cook, and then we're gonna relax. Good morning. I have a nice yogurt bowl here. This is the couch. It's actually fairly nice. Not much is on the agenda today, but we are going to try and relax and just enjoy this weather. I am supposed to be having a dresser come today, so we'll check outside right now because it was supposed to be delivered, and yesterday I got the notification that this couch was delivered like 2 hours later. So we'll check right now to see if the dresser's out there. I connected with an old friend, and we are supposed to be hanging out tomorrow. I'll see if we vlog that. Her and I go way back. Let's look aesthetically pleasing, shall we? Okay, I'll admit it. I didn't actually do my hair. But we're gonna eat breakfast, we're gonna do homework, and then we'll worry about hair. But let's go take a look and see if the dresser's here. Come on. No deliveries yet, but they did get rid of all those boxes that I broke down yesterday. And I actually feel so terrible about that because it was quite a lot of boxes. Let's eat breakfast together. What are you doing, honey? You wanna watch TV with mommy? You want to smell? Kitty doesn't like yogurt. You want some? has chia seed. It's gonna make you go poopy doopy. You wanna go poopy doopy? No, right? We're gonna go back to homework.
Hey, that's me. And this is my Z. She was talking about how different. I wonder if I should put more cheese on here.
So let's find out what that reason is, okay? This found you.
Well, this is the dresser.
Okay, we just finished at Sephora. Never told you guys that I was going to Sephora, but we did. I am sorta, kinda, like in the city, sorta, kinda, but like not really. But I was running low on some makeup products, so I figure I go to the city so I can like at least tell myself that I'm capable of going to the city without like anybody being with me, because that's like so super scary. But I went and we got our little Sephora, but there's some things that I need to get for the house. But I'm looking at all of these restaurants and oh my god, they look so good. But I need to cook. I need to cook. I know I need to cook. And plus I parked in the 1 hour parking to make sure that I didn't stay here. We will come back to the city. This place looks kind of like cool. It's crazy to me that some people don't know how to like parallel park. The next place we're going to, Target. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I should get a green one. I have a blue one. I should get a green. I'm starting to like green a lot, you guys. How cute is that? Does it have the little hooks like the other one? If it doesn't, I'm gonna put this back. Do you have it? It has it. I will be getting that. Thank you. Like, I want something aesthetic or something like. It's so sweet. It's just frustrating because this one was the cutest. I'm not making the cutest face, am I? This pillow. I should get it. Ooh, is it? I just want you to know you're very special. Cheese. Why don't I see purple jack cute cheese? Cheese. Okay. It's freezing. Okay. It's freezing out here, y'all. Another successful outing. Understand. Relax a little from this won't take so long. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Okay, we're back at the house. I need to put up all these groceries. This is going to be the end of the vlog, I think. Next vlog, we're going to build my dresser, and I'll show you guys that process. But this was a successful first official week in Austin, but I'm still trying to figure out what my life is going to look like here, because I still am having trouble envisioning the whole thing, but we will get there. So thank you guys for watching. If this is the end, please like, comment, share, subscribe, give me video ideas, what you guys want to see, places that you think I should go to. Let me know in the comment section below. Bye.